As your business grows, complexity arises. More people, more projects, multiple entities and ABNs, intercompany transactions, growing supply chain networks and compliance. Now, some businesses try to manage this using a basic accounting software and a bunch of different applications. The result, multiple logins, double and triple data entry, disjointed data sets, it gets messy. This means you can't see your business clearly, ROI is harder to measure, and you can potentially miss valuable opportunities for growth. MYOB Advanced gives you an integrated platform from which you can run your entire business. It's financial management, inventory, production, customer management, project accounting, payroll and analytics, integrated and all in the cloud. You can manage intercompany accounting seamlessly across multiple ABNs, run P&Ls by company, geography, project and product, track inventory levels and costs across multiple warehouses and locations in real time. Automate and speed up your manufacturing processes with bill of materials, full MRP, scheduling and quality management functionalities. Systemise your marketing and sales processes with CRM, pipeline management, integrated marketing and a customer self-service portal. Simplify your payroll process and take guesswork out of the equation with integrated ATO compliance requirements and single-touch payroll. So what does this mean for your business? You'll have the right information at the right time to make informed decisions. You will have an integrated platform that will allow your business to scale. You'll empower your teams with the tools they need to get the job done. All in one platform, one database, and with one team you can rely on for help. This is MYOB Advanced.